The all-new Cricket Power Wheelchair by Golden Technologies is stylish, agile, and extremely portable. Crafted with an incredibly strong yet lightweight 100% carbon fiber frame, the Cricket weighs as light as 33 pounds, making travel a breeze. The slim, sporty design is perfect for navigating indoors and out while sightseeing, shopping, or dining. The roomy padded seat cushion and durable mesh back align with the natural curves of your body, providing long-lasting comfort while on the go. The Cricket features a well-styled joystick designed to make everyday tasks easier, such as driving up to a table or maneuvering through a doorway. It has an impressive 22-inch turning radius and offers a 300-pound weight capacity, maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, and an operating range of up to 9.3 miles on an airline-approved lithium-ion battery. It also offers convenient off-board charging and folds effortlessly for transport. The Cricket offers excellent performance and portability for your active lifestyle. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with the Cricket Power Wheelchair by Golden Technologies. Call AutoMobility store today and receive free shipping.